Assalamu alaikum viewers, welcome to Jubaida's Tiny World. Hope everyone is doing good. I am good, Alhamdulillah. I bring another new video. Hope you like it. If you like the video, please like, share, comment, follow and subscribe the video. Your support will inspire me to make more new content. Today I am going to cook brinjal fry, or in Bangla we said begun bhaji. This is a very popular recipe in our country, especially begun bhaji dal we serve with steamed rice. Let's start cooking. I take one brinjal, cut it in round shape and add half teaspoon of red chili powder, half teaspoon of turmeric powder, half teaspoon of coriander, cumin and black pepper mixed powder, salt as per taste and 1 teaspoon of corn flour. I am using corn flour so that it's become crispy. I will fry all brinjal batch by batch and then I will serve the brinjal fried or begun bhaji with steamed rice and dal. Thanks for watching. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Allah Hafiz.